Buenas tardes, clase. ¿Cómo están ustedes hoy? Deseo que están bien. Hoy vamos a ver página 10 y 11 en sus libros de textos y entonces saquen ustedes sus libros de textos y ábranlos a estas páginas. Y vamos a estudiar el verbo estar y también hay. Primero vamos a repasar la palabra estar. Estar significa, por supuesto, to be. Yo estoy, tú estás, usted, él, ella está. Nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ustedes, ellos, ellas están. Significan I am, you are, he, she, you are, we are, you all are, they are, or you all are. This verb answers the question or describes these feelings, location, and temporary condition. So you could ask somebody how they're feeling. ¿Cómo están ustedes? Estamos alegres. We're happy. ¿Dónde está Fabiola? Where is Fabiola? Está en la cocina. She's in the kitchen. Or ¿cómo está el dormitorio de César? Now we're asking about the condition of César's dormitorio, which is his bedroom. Está sucio. Su dormitorio está sucio. It's the condition in which he left it. If you look at página 10 en sus libros de textos, hay vocabulario nuevo. Por favor, escríbenlos en un papel. Alegre significa happy, enojado, mad, cansado, tired, nervioso, nervous, contento, happy, satisfecho, satisfied, de mal humor. I put an asterisk next to this one because there is an exception to this one. All of these are going to change in either number, gender, or both. And this will not. So you would say, yo estoy de mal humor. Ellos están de mal humor. And it doesn't change gender or number. Tranquilo means calm. Enfermo means sick. Triste means sad. Combining these two things, you can make a plethora of sentences. ¿Cómo están ustedes? Estamos enfermos. Estamos tristes. Remember that you can have 4 different endings for any of these nouns that end in O. So adjectives. Either it's going to be enojado, enojada, enojados, or enojadas. If your adjectives ends in E, you will only change it to be plural. Alegre, alegres. It will not change to an A to fit the feminine. You would say, ella está alegre, él está alegre. Ellas están alegres, ellos están alegres. Alright, vamos a mirar a la palabra I. En la página 11 de sus libros de textos es la palabra I. ¿Recuerdan la significación, clase? I puede en significación 4 cosas. 4. There is, there are, is there, are there. Notice these 4 sentences that are almost identical that use the word I. Hay un bicho en mi sopa. There is a bug in my soup. There is a bug in my soup. Hay bichos en mi sopa. There are bugs in my soup. There are bugs in my soup. Now we can use it as a question. ¿Hay un bicho en tu sopa? Is there a bug in your soup? Or ¿hay bichos en tu sopa? Are there bugs in your soup? So what you guys need to do is remember these 4 constructions. Next we'll look at cuántos y cuántas. Both of these mean how many, and they must agree in number and gender, but number today, with the nouns that they modify. So cuántos niños is noun adjective agreement here. ¿Cuántos niños hay en la clase? I means how many boys are there in the class. ¿Cuántas chicas hay en la clase? Cuántas and chicas agree in number and gender. I means are there. Contrast estar with I here and see how you can change a sentence around. It might be useful for you in the future. We would say los niños están en el sofá. We could say the children or the boys are on the sofa. But if we wanted to make this statement, if we wanted to use the word I with it, we would say, hay niños en el sofá. There are children on the sofa. Do not combine están and I. There are two different things. I is its own verb. You don't want to say there are to be boys on the sofa. Remember to keep these separate. You could also say, mis dos gatos están en el patio trasero. My two cats are in the backyard. Or you could flip it around, and if you wanted to just use the word I, you could say, hay dos gatos en el patio trasero. There are two cats in the backyard. Hasta luego, clase.